We made a change to your photos this year. I think you're going to like it. Hey everyone, I'm Pete Stagel with Servant 360. If you're new here, we share tips and strategies to help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Make sure to like and subscribe to always be notified when we release these weekly videos. Last year, we did a video about our magazine quality photo editing as an add-on. These images are professionally retouched by hand to ensure highly accurate colors and clear views out of the windows. We showed you how much more inviting and clear this manual retouching process makes the images look. I mean, just look at the view out that window. We're always looking for ways to improve and offer you more value for your money. And that's why we've made our magazine quality editing our new standard. We know that the highest quality matters to you and to your clients, so we've been working hard behind the scenes to make this a reality. Our previous retouching method was always high quality, but never quite did the views justice. And we've got some great views around here, don't we? It's not even just the windows up close. Look at how inviting that backyard is from clear across the kitchen. We're excited to be able to offer this magazine quality standard on all of our photos. Whether you're just selling the house or the view, you'll see the Servant 360 difference clearly. At Servant 360, we feel realtors shouldn't have to put up with inconsistent results from their marketing providers. That's why we provide consistent quality photos, floor plans, virtual tours, and videos that help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Help us spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.